I'm here comparing two different kinds of Gerber EAB utility knife. I got this one a long time ago from Target Mall, and this one just recently from Walmart. They're almost identical, but if you look at it closely, they're different. Gerber made some changes. First of all, if you look at this one has a thumb groove. This one has none. The screws that hold the blade are also different. This one screws this way from the left, and this one screws from starting from the right. See the difference? The new one has also a slot at the bottom of the blade. This slot here, let me take out the screw. This one, whereas this one has none. It just has this small piece of metal that support the blade from falling off. The problem with this, the blade can slide to the side and could cause injury. See? This one is secured. It won't go anywhere. This explains the difference in thickness. The newer version is thicker than the older one. This is the older version. Gerber had to add a few millimeters to compensate for this new design.